What's up, everybody? Right now we're on a nature walk, you know, out here in the wilderness.
Out here grinding.
It's kind of hot out, but it's all good. I don't know how far we're walking. It feels like it's been an hour already.
Got here a minute ago.
Yeah. Sun's just beating down on us. You get that natural glow.
Perfect for selfies.
Yeah.
Take some timer pictures.
Got a brand new iPhone 11. That's pretty cool. So that means we're going to bring some more high quality vlogs.
High quality content for our best subscribers.
Yeah. It's going to be wicked sick.
We're planning a movie night with projectors and all that good stuff. So, you know, enter our giveaway to come to that. How to enter will be in the description. So just have to pay us like a $500 fee and you can come.
My hand's starting to hurt because I got to hold it. So I think I might invest in one of those selfie sticks that the kids these days are using. So you might see shots more like this maybe instead of like this. But I don't see anything wrong with this one. Right? Is that good? Oh my God.
My butt hurts. Today was leg day at Pitbull Gym, so.
Yeah, we had a killer workout.
We've been drinking pre-workout, you know, making us itch, and so we're just getting such good workouts in. Then we drink some protein shakes after. We're pretty much getting swole, so.
Yeah,
you know.
getting those nice booty gains too.
Oh, we should take time picture right here.
Take what?
Timer picture.
Look at that beautiful sun.
Right
wow.
Why is this so funny? How the frick did I do a timer? Sorry, I'm new to this. How should we do it?
There's so many mosquitoes. This is ghetto.
This is ghetto. Right here. Put the timer away.
All right.
Get in it. Hurry.
Peace out for now.